Over 60? 4 best vitamins that prevent dementia you must take. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that affects millions of lives worldwide: dementia prevention. If you're over 60 or have loved ones in that age group, this information could be life-changing. Did you know that certain vitamin combinations don't just slow cognitive decline, they can actually reduce brain shrinkage by up to 70%? That's not a typo, 70%. And this isn't just any random claim, it's backed by research from places like Oxford University and confirmed by studies in Holland, Sweden, and China. Before we get into these essential nutrients, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss our evidence-based health content that could transform your well-being. Let's jump right in. Dementia isn't a normal part of aging. It's a devastating condition that robs people of their memories, independence, and identity. While genetics play a role, emerging research suggests nutrition might be more powerful than we ever imagined in preventing cognitive decline. Here's what's fascinating. While pharmaceutical companies spend billions developing drugs that barely move the needle, researchers have discovered that specific vitamin combinations can deliver results that are exponentially better without the side effects. Vitamin number 1. Let's start with vitamin B12. This powerhouse nutrient is absolutely critical for brain health, yet deficiency becomes increasingly common as we age. Why? As we get older, our ability to absorb B12 naturally declines. Studies show that between 10 to 30% of adults over 60 have some degree of B12 deficiency. Here's what makes B12 so important for your brain. First, it helps maintain the myelin sheath. Think of this as the protective coating around your brain's communication network. When it breaks down, your cognitive processing slows dramatically. Second, B12 is essential for breaking down homocysteine, a toxic amino acid that accumulates in your body when B vitamins are lacking. High homocysteine levels have been directly linked to brain shrinkage and cognitive decline. In the VitaCog trial from Oxford, researchers found that supplementing with B12 and other B vitamins significantly slowed brain atrophy in people with mild cognitive impairment. But here's the key insight. This effect was dramatically enhanced when combined with our next essential nutrient. Vitamin number 2. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA found in fatty fish, are critical building blocks for your brain. DHA alone makes up about 30 to 40% of the polyunsaturated fatty acids in your brain's gray matter. What's revolutionary is how omega-3s work synergistically with B vitamins. In the VitaCog study, participants with high omega-3 levels who received B vitamin supplementation showed an astonishing 73% reduction in brain shrinkage compared to the placebo group. Think about that. This combination effectively normalized the rate of brain shrinkage to that of elderly people with no cognitive decline whatsoever. Even more compelling is what researchers found when they looked at cognitive test results. When omega-3 levels were in the upper range of normal, B vitamins significantly improved scores on tests of memory, global cognition, and clinical dementia ratings. Among participants with good omega-3 status who received B vitamins, only 33% showed clinical signs of cognitive impairment after 2 years, compared to 59% in the placebo group. That's nearly cutting your risk in half with just 2 nutrients. Vitamin number 3, folate, or vitamin B9, is the third critical player in our brain protection strategy. Research published in the British Medical Journal has shown that folate deficiency is strongly associated with both depression and dementia in older adults. Folate works alongside B12 to reduce homocysteine levels, but it also has unique effects on mood, drive, initiative, alertness, concentration, and social activity. Studies have shown that folate supplementation can enhance recovery from psychiatric illness and boost the effectiveness of antidepressant medications. What's particularly interesting is how folate affects methylation processes in the brain, essentially helping your brain cells communicate effectively and maintain their structure. As we age, folate levels in the cerebrospinal fluid naturally decline, which may contribute to the aging process itself. Clinical trials have demonstrated that folate supplementation significantly improves cognitive scores in older adults, particularly in areas like episodic memory, logical reasoning, and visuospatial memory. Vitamin number 4. The fourth essential nutrient for brain protection is vitamin B6. While it often gets less attention than its B vitamin cousins, B6 plays a crucial role in the same homocysteine metabolism pathway. B6 is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters that regulate mood and cognitive function. In combination with B12 and folate, B6 creates a powerful trio that targets the biochemical processes most associated with cognitive decline. The research is clear. In multiple studies, the combination of B6, B12, and folate reduced cognitive decline, but only in those with adequate omega-3 status. This highlights the importance of a comprehensive approach rather than focusing on single nutrients. What's truly groundbreaking about these findings is the synergistic effect. When researchers in Holland conducted their B-Proof trial, they found no benefit from B vitamins alone in those with low omega-3 status. However, they observed massive cognitive improvements in participants with sufficient omega-3 levels. Similarly, a Swedish trial initially showed limited benefits from omega-3 supplementation alone. When they reanalyzed their data based on B vitamin status, they found that participants with sufficient B vitamin levels showed 3 times the clinical improvement reported from recent pharmaceutical trials. A Chinese trial further confirmed this synergy, showing that while B vitamins or omega-3s individually provided some benefit, the improvement was substantially greater when both nutrients were given together. So what does this mean for you or your loved ones over 60? Here are practical recommendations based on the research. Get your homocysteine levels checked. This simple blood test can identify if you're at higher risk for cognitive decline. Ideal levels are below 7 mmol. Focus on food sources first. B vitamins are abundant in whole grains, eggs, leafy greens, and animal proteins. For omega-3s, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are your best sources. Consider supplements if needed. For those who can't get enough through diet or have absorption issues, supplements may be necessary. Look for a B complex that includes B6, B12, and folate, along with a high-quality omega-3 supplement. Dosage matters. The studies showing significant benefits used higher doses than typically found in multivitamins, around 500 micrograms of B12, 20 milligrams of B6, and 800 micrograms of folic acid daily. The evidence is clear. The combination of B vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids offers a powerful strategy for protecting brain health as we age. While pharmaceutical approaches continue to disappoint, these nutrients provide a safe, effective approach that addresses the underlying mechanisms of cognitive decline. Remember, prevention is always better than treatment, and starting early gives you the best chance of maintaining cognitive health throughout your later years. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, here's to your brain health.